The Naples Pier is one of the most photographed and visited destinations around the Naples area, so of course, 3 days and tres noches had to check it out when we were recently in Naples. So here are some things you need to know before visiting this destination, and then we're going to have you join us on a nice relaxing stroll on the pier. The pier was built in 1889 originally as a passenger and freight dock, but it's withstood many hurricanes and has had to get rebuilt quite a few times. Fishing is one of the main attractions here because it's free. The city did purchase a license that can be used by anyone that is fishing from the pier. However, they just released new fishing rules, so if you go to naplesgov.com, always check that before going. So if you're going to go there to fish, now January 1st through May 31st, you cannot fish on Sundays at all. And Monday through Saturday, you cannot fish from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. So again, just make sure you're checking that naplesgov.com before visiting the pier. It's also located right near 3rd Street South, which is really popular for shopping and restaurants. So we love the fact that you could go get a bite to eat, then walk right over to the pier. In terms of parking, they do have public parking. It's metered parking. It's about $3 an hour. They also do have bathrooms and showers. And they have a concession stand that's open at certain times. And again, you can check that naplesgov.com for the latest times. Because it has all that, it really makes for a great public beach. It does have handicapped beach access and a little place to play volleyball as well. If you do plan on visiting the Naples Pier, definitely go at sunset. It's amazing photo ops. It's so gorgeous. There's tons of wildlife there as well. So now we're going to go on a nice stroll, and then we'll show you a little teaser of the sunset. And then, in fact, I do an entire video, a live sunset video at the Naples Pier. Ooh, that's a lens.
Yes.
Wow.
Right there. Doing that. That flipper.